We are Bishop+Rook, the Land Rover Defender company. We specialize in sourcing, importing, preserving, and restoring heritage Land Rover Defenders. No other vehicle on the planet evokes a sense of wanderlust quite like a vintage Land Rover, a vehicle that has conquered every corner of the world and left an indelible mark on the face of travel and adventure. In our digitally connected world, driving a vintage Land Rover provides an analog experience to slow down time, allowing passengers to take a break from the chaos and banality of everyday life. Bishop+Rook has become one of the most recognized companies in the world for creating truly unique, honest, and timeless Land Rover Defenders. As passionate owners ourselves, we understand the importance of maintaining these iconic vehicles for future generations to enjoy. When we take on a project, we aim to ensure each vehicle we source or build maintains its unique character, whether it's an unrestored classic with original patina or a complete nut and bolt bespoke restoration. We manage a global team of experts with decades of combined experience in an industry who maintain our workshops around the world. Our sourcing operations span from Europe to Africa, helping to ensure a steady supply of parts, resources, and interesting Defenders to bring to the market. We are dedicated to the Land Rover lifestyle. It may seem silly, but we'd never really liked the idea of buying or selling a Defender, which is why we refer to it as an adoption process. Because when you welcome a Land Rover Defender into your life, it becomes part of your family, a source of adventure and a vehicle that can take you all the places you've always dreamed of traveling. As a new owner, you'll be tasked with maintaining and caring for the vehicle over time, which is why we're steadfastly focused on providing you with the best possible foundation to build upon. Our Land Rovers are built to seek adventure in everyday life, focused on mechanical reliability, craftsmanship, and a meticulous attention to detail, using a unique perspective of trying to preserve the history of each vehicle. Every person on the Bishop+Rook team shares a common passion for giving life to these icons of the road and helping new owners along the way. We enjoy sharing our knowledge with the world, providing a unique behind-the-scenes look into the process it takes to preserve and restore each vehicle. While you have many choices when it comes to acquiring your vintage Land Rover Defender, we hope you'll consider us, Bishop+Rook, heritage-built Defenders, giving classic Land Rovers a second life of adventure.